All right, our studio is kind of like ready. This is one of the setups that you can actually see. This is my friend's setup actually. His beautiful photos. He just got them himself. Like you can see it kind of like here. And he's a Mac user, and this is his Mac setup. And my setup is gonna be different. Mine is gonna be in my own room with my podcast setup, which make me able to record my podcast and my videos in the same place. But the biggest piece of the puzzle is actually missing, which is going to be Shure SM7B, my new microphone. I worked for it, and I'm going to pay a lot of money for it, but no worry. It's going to be fantastic. I like the quality of the microphone, and I think it's going to just bring my videos in another level technically. But anyway, so I just thought it's better to give you this quick update because I'm really, happy for everything that is actually happening right now. Because YouTube itself gave me this motivation to go for it and to work for it, and to be able to actually put some time in there and to think more for creating better content. And I thought we can actually do better, so we can. I mean, it's like if we can do better, we have to go for it, and it's just fantastic. I really like all the process that we're experiencing here, and this is the good part of it. All right, quick update is finished. Hope you have a good time. See you later in a better environment. This is actually great, but I can't be here. This is my friend's setup. He's gonna be all day here, so this is one of those moments that he's out of the home. So I use the time to actually record something here because I really like it. And all right, thank you for now. See you later. Have a good time.